I feel like a siren. I feel like a siren, you guys. How have I not tried this before?
Is this one thing that got me tripping? Is this one thing that got me tripping? Is this one thing you saw made me feel it? Is this one thing you did? Oh, I can't help it.
Welcome back, sugar babies, to my channel. It is Sugar here. Hope everyone is doing amazing. If you are new here, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe and share this video. And today we are going to be doing some hair that SamsBeauty sent over to me, which I'm super excited about. Shout out to SamsBeauty. And it is going to be the wet lace in the style Brielle. So I'm really excited. This is the first time we're doing this color on the channel. So sit back and let's get into this. Okay, baby, straight out of the pack, she's a beautiful burgundy. She's quite long, beach waves, and she has the deeper roots with 2 combs in the front, a comb in the back, and the adjustable straps. So before I even cut off the lace or anything like that, I'm just going to take it and kind of flip it inside out like this. I'm going to take my Fit Me foundation in 355 Coconut, and I'm just going to take a foundation brush and I'm going to put it all inside on the lace. So when I put it on, it will be really natural in skin tone because I already know that this lace is too light for my skin. So just all inside of the lace like that. And go past the hairline, like even a little bit onto the lace that you know you're going to cut off, just so that you're getting that very end of the hairline the best you can.
Why are you going back and forth? I can't keep up with your mood swings. What is troubling your mind? Are you doing this just to test me? I'm bad at handling this type of thing. Why I don't get it, you say it's a man thing. Babe, I wanna be around. I just wanna make your heart sing, but you're not letting me get through to you. Yeah. If you let your guard down, baby, this is what I'll do. I'll do. Come on, baby. Love you, I will love you, I will love you like a queen. I will love to take you to a place you've never been. Love you, I will love you, I will love you like a queen. I will love to take you to a place you've never been. What is troubling your mind? Babe, why can't you just tell me? I just wanna be your bride. Wanna be. I wanna give our love wings. You're not letting me, get through to you. Yeah. If you let your guard down, baby, this is what I'll do. I'll do. Love you, I will
Okay, you guys, so we just took the tie off of it after laying down the baby hairs. And I must say the hairline is spectacular. I really love the way the hairline is looking. So, and I mean, I haven't even hot combed it yet. Usually this is the look I get after hot combing it, but this thing is really looking good, y'all. So let's go ahead and brush it out since I've been tangling and messing it up. It's not too bad though. Okay, so ooh, you guys, I really love this. Okay, I was trying to see if I want to go in and tweeze, but honestly I might not. So what do we want to do now? On my concealer brush, just like whatever's left in here, I'm just gonna go over the parts that's supposed to be scalpy and just further emphasize that. And honestly, you guys, I really love this wig like this, so I probably won't even put a part in it. I like tousled hair, and this is giving me the ultimate tousle right now, so I just really like this tousled look, to be honest. So my final thoughts on this hair would be, if you are a larger head person, or maybe you have a wider head, this wig might not be for you. You might want to sit this one out. I did have to cut some slits on both sides to kind of help it fit my head better. But all in all, I just really love the color of this wig. If you look at it closely, like if you're in person, there's like some super light red, there's some deep like 99J strands, and it's just really nice, you guys. The pattern, I didn't know if I was gonna like the pattern because it was like wavy and then like a good portion at the bottom was just straight, and I thought it was so weird. But I actually really love this. I thought I was gonna straighten it, but I'm gonna probably wear it like this for a while before I do that. But I really don't have any bad thoughts about this wig. The part is super deep, so way back here, you guys. Like, she would even be cute. Middle part, side part. She's good. Can you see that? And I love that these roots are dark, especially for my synthetic units. I love, if I'm going to do a color, I want the roots darker. It just looks more natural. I think the scalp against the darker hair looks really good, and then you can get the color as well. So I 100% approve this wig. I'm not experiencing any shedding. I really do think Sensational wet lace wigs are amazing. The part in them, the lace is just, like they said, what lace, because you cannot see it. This wig is giving me, like, I cannot believe I have not tried red or burgundy hair before now. Like, this is everything, you guys. So everything will be down in the description below. Okay, babes, that's that. Thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and share this video. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.